Government watchdog group Judicial Watch recently released documents that are going to force the FBI to reopen a critical case. This situation is not looking good for Democrats and FBI officials. The documents show that FBI Deputy Director Andrew McCabe failed to recuse himself appropriately from the investigation into former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton's secure, private, email server. McCabe's role in this investigation is pivotal because of the association his wife had with Hillary Clinton's friends and allies. According to _Judicial Watch McCabe's wife received $700,000 in campaign contributions from Clinton and those close to her. Documents obtained from the government watchdog group show that McCabe did not recuse himself until November 1, 2016. In other words, he was involved up until 1 week before the 2016 general election. They even developed a code name for the Clinton email probe that took the country by storm but ultimately burned out. The code name they used for the issue was Mid-Year Exam. McCabe worked as the assistant FBI director in charge of the Washington field office. He directly controlled the resources associated with the Clinton email investigation. One of the most interesting documents to come from the FBI is called Overview of Deputy Director McCabe's Recusal Related to Dr. McCabe's Campaign for Political Office. The document explored various conflicts of interest, including the FBI's investigation into Mrs. Clinton's server. A question on the revealed document asks if McCabe had anything to do with his wife's campaign, including support. The scripted answer that the document lays out reads, "No." Then Assistant Director, McCabe played no role, attended no events and did not participate in fundraising or support of any kind. The problem is this. That statement simply isn't true. _Circa_ reported in June that there were social media photos of McCabe wearing a shirt with his wife's campaign logo on it along with a caption that asked voters to come down and elect his wife. As a result of what _Circa_ uncovered, the Justice Department is looking into whether McCabe properly disclosed payments from his wife's campaign on his ethics report. There is also an investigation into possible Hatch Act violations. Judicial Watch went on to note that the timing of when Mrs. McCabe ran for office seemed suspicious. The country found out about Mrs. Clinton's email server on March 2, 2015. Just 5 days later, Clinton Foundation board member and Virginia Governor Terry McAuliffe, D., met with the McCabes to bring her on board for a Senate run. The FBI assistant director's wife received $700,000 to her campaign funds from Hillary Clinton. Did this affect his decision not to recuse himself? Another document then came to light on April 29, 2015, titled, Protocol Regarding Potential Conflicts of Interest, that outlined McCabe's moves leading up to his wife's campaign announcement. The document reveals that McCabe was consulting with individuals within the Washington field office and FBI headquarters, leading up to his wife's campaign run. The FBI is compromised. Mr. McCabe should have been nowhere near the Hillary Clinton investigations, Judicial Watch President Tom Fitton said. That he saw fit to recuse himself only days before the election further demonstrates the FBI's Clinton email investigation was a sham. No wonder it took a year and a federal lawsuit to get these records. It is well past time for the Justice Department to reopen the Clinton email investigation.